Ngizindi okay.
Yasinda.
Yasinda. Asahambe sithatha. Mbombela Fanatics here, and I'm your host Limpo Muhale. Mbombela Stadium is where I'm at full-time Petro Premiership clash. Sekhukhune versus TS Galaxy. 1-0 in favor of Sekhukhune, taking all the 3 points, defeating TS Galaxy. Na Rudman Tulane la na bekete netin vota khona nathi la. Bekete nesingwa. Akusisingwa nje. Isikhukhune ligama lalesingwa lesi. Isikhukhune. Mina bengitshela ukuthi utawufika lesingwa sidla sicedzile la. Rudman Tulane singwa sijika naso ekhaya le brand yesikhukhune le. Kwenzakaleni Rudman Yamthulane?
Athi ukuthi angikho happy because vela inkinga last week isiluzile saphina saluza futhi and then angikho happy ngalama lose lawo because islatha 6 point 6 point silahlile vela ukuthi vela yabo but angikho happy ngalento leyo because abona uma singajwayeli ukuluza because so graseslathi confidence yabona because abafana bebatakade siwune kahle i-first game yethu January la khaya i-first game ku happy new year yabo sivule kahle mara sawina kahle ngathi unile kahle kamnandi but manje sesikhala sesi 2 games siyadliwa and manje sesibukene le viki yeNetbank ngibona ukuthi iNetbank ungono ukuthi igame benakhona bayinde mistake ukuthi bayihoste kumhlanga yabo bekumele bahosta la Mbombela Stadium but inkinga ukuthi Sokazi naye ufuna ukujabulisa abale mafans wakhe le empuma le kamhlanga yabo ukuthi nabo at least bathola igame naye angimsoli Sokazi because vele already igame vele kumele ihambe ele because bekumela even eLiga's stadium nale kamhlanga uright but angimsola abantu because already ma stadium lawo vela ukuthi kumele kumagame lesakhona but inkinga lengisolayo ukuthi vela namunhla angikho happy because coach wethu uphazamile ukhipha Mvelazi yabo Mvelazi bekumele umekelile wadlala bekumele at least siqualize because Mbokazi yakhona ku manager a game ukuthi sikhona equalize yabo Hiloko nje ukuthi no Mbokazi vela is a best player for the TS Galaxy kuthi omunye umuntu nosumthembile vela lapha ku Galaxy njengamanje because njejana bamthengisele eAmerica yabo
push
sendeni kuthi lento itoyendeka manje because badlala sesibathengisile ndamane sumthengisile defender right ne defender siyaleka ngala futhi kuthi defender lesithembile vele njengamanje ma defender wonke ayaleka vela kuthi vele defender le akakhona ukumana nje mahlanga akakhona ukumana nje i-defender ukuthi be right yabo that's why i-Galaxy thola ukuthi okay bayikora easy bagola ngena easy goal even the last emabida ngiboni le game leya bengiyibukela straight but isikina sesiluzile because is cost amagoli thina futhi ukuthi sinika amazulu ukuthi iwin game but iloko kwendekile vele ukuthi okay nala kwendeke the same goalkeeper wethu kosa ukuthi ibhola ali twiste uyalithinta khopre uyalhayida ngena phakathi yabona nje into njengaleto tenda ukuthi iGalaxy ingatholi confidence and then ikinzeleka la ekhaya futhi bekumele siyikwalezile sahlala maybe 1-1 or 2-1 score vena mibe ngifisile ukuthi lesinkwa lento sidla vele but angizange sidla lesinkwa because I'm very worried ngalesinkwa ukuthi angizange sidla le stadium angathi kumele ngisilahle njengamanje because I'm very happy ngangifike nasendini vele because ngikwate kakhulu because injabulo yami ayikho namuntu because vela ngikwatile vele lesinkwa lesi vela ngiyasilahle vela one time because vela i-team yami ayizange yadlala kahle and then bengifuna ukuthi ngone siluse one game another game maybe singa draw or win yabo at least spend a point 2 games spend a point something yana spend a point ayi ukuthi spend a lose two lose in the row and siluse amaluze afanayo because noma uthe wabuka lama game awiki kakhulu awiki lama game lawo akuna game lesindayo vela la akuna game lesindayo because ma game awasinda ma game akhona awiki kakhulu and then angisoli mina because magame akhona vela fucked up kakhulu amagame sendena hayi I'm very happy ngaloko ukuthi vela sodlala igame lelendelayo namaruma iNetbank singaqualify ukuthi silethe igame lenkulu laMbombela ngiyafisa ukuthi maybe singawina le game amaruma silethe Pirates or Chiefs or Sundowns ekhaya so stamagame amakhulu ayile game njengalesi hoste namunhla le because the team lamangane ayasidelela la ekhaya sendeni la kanjani maybe sozama ukuthi at least silungise nathi ukuthi at least maybe game Netbank sikhona ukulungisa ukuthi amagame sikhona ukuwina amagame lawa serious
sure
and then yakela ukuthi iGalaxy ayizame ukunika abantu itikipa sibonakala ekhaya ukuthi sine team ubonile lama team lawa afike nama taxi akashe wonke amabhasa bekugcwele isikhukhuna la namuhla.
Yeah.
And then thina sihlula yini ukuthi okay sihluleka ukukasi ibhasi la sport la samafenze eGalaxy angathi ukuthi sokazi naye angacommunicate nebhasi ko uthi alethe amabhasi amafenze eGalaxy athi lembambela so support iGalaxy.
Sure.
And then ayithuri ibhasi kuqala maybe angawazama anika abantu free ticket abanika itikipa ukuthi batsala embambela stadium ukuthi zama ukusupport iGalaxy. iGalaxy team yethu lembambela ngesilahle noma engadliwa kayi10 angesilahle iGalaxy team la ekhaya. And then ngafisa ukuthi ama fans aphinda abuye next game lembambela so support iChiefs Galaxy team la ekhaya. And then sitobona ukuthi okay asipheli mandla.
Sure Ruben.
Singaphela amandla i-team ito relegate. And then ukuthi ibhola silebukela ekhaya. Asina team isithembe yona iChiefs Galaxy. Asizameni ukuthi silungise siphinde sibuye futhi sodlala inye game la ekhaya siwine le game leyo.
Ruben Thulani ngibonga kakhulu out yami hard luck ngegame yanamuhla sithembele ukuthi kuchubekela phambili.
And nami vela angikho happy namuhla vele ngikwate kakhulu because I'm very disappointed because siluzile igame eMaZulu saluza nale game leyo futhi.
Yeah.
And then angifuni ukuthi siluze twice.
Yeah.
Between maybe 3 days.
Yeah.
It's 3 days this one.
Yeah.
Because ngeke siluze ama game
Sure.
ngeliviki le 7 days.
Yeah.
Gonna lose maybe after maybe 1 month.
Yeah.
Single lose my game 2 days and then because vela ngikho vela because namuntu bengifuna i3 point. Dayisayile lesinkwa sami vela ngiyosilahla vela because angeke ngifike nasendlini vela ngiyosilahla because i-team yami idrawile yabo.
Sure.
And then ngifuna ukuthi next game at least coach wethu azame ukulungisa ukuthi afaka ama player wakhe la siwina ngawe. And then ajwayele ischeme sakhe awuthi ufaka noma bani. And then ushiye lo mfana lo Mahlambi. Mahlambi akufuneka amfake ebhenjini kumele amkelisene negame sikhona ukujika amajika senda imoplana wonke sonda ukuthi okay singakhona ukukora amagoli early because angeke kubeka amaplayer othembile noma uyicoach and then uwafaka after bombela sibodlala kanjani if ama regular player asebhenjini. And then the coach wethu kumele alungise because sifuna uwina sifuna ukuthi team yethu ingena ku top 8 or sifuna a-cup. Even a Nedbank Cup isayifuna la ekhaya ibuye la ekhaya Nedbank Cup. So khona ukudlala iCAF. Galaxy ngiyafisa ukuthi ingadlala iCAF next season.
Yeah.
Ngiyafisa ukuthi iGalaxy ingadlala iCAF next season and ngiyafisa futhi ukuthi maybe ingaphinda ibuye futhi nama big team. Lawa ukuthi angaletha imali la ekhaya Nedbank. And then alethe ama fans la ekhaya ukuthi sijabule sonke and then ukuthi imasipala akhona ukubenefita naye. Wonke umuntu akhona ukubenefita la ekhaya. Nami ngiyajabula ukuthi okay iGalaxy lungisa ama problems wayo ukuthi siwina ama game. Angale kudliwa win and lose i-football but siluzile but mina ngikho happy ukuthi singaluza twice ngeteam lawo adlala amabhola afanayo. Ngona siluza igame le ibona ukuthi okay the team le is a big team. It's a small team. Ngona siluza njalo mara singesiluze ngama team lawo adlala ibhola efanayo njengama team lamancane njengalawo. Njengosikhukhuna akusithimi ukuthi ingadli iGalaxy this time la eMbombela. Because isikhukhuna hayi ngiyasola ukuthi maybe kuna something la endekile eMbombela stadium because vela maybe basifakele imuthi angathi maybe basifakele imuthi maybe because bathima 70 imuthi kakhulu this time maybe basishaya ngekhemi la eMbombela. Sendane ngekwadi ukuthi kwendekani ngefootball yabo. If what football can kill you and then ukuthi vele nomuthi uyasebenza ebholweni but angisoli because yonke into yendeka football football can kill you
real dead.
And then into endekayo coach wethu akalungise angathembele ama fans ukuthi azosolve le nkinga ngesolve inkinga thina so support iGalaxy ukuthi win igame. iGalaxy abantu abaningi abayadi thina siyade from mina ngikala ukukhevi iGalaxy 2017 isadlala ku Mtsipe League and then by promoter yashaya iChiefs 2019 ku Nedbank Cup and then yadlala iCAF 2019 ila ngiyisupport khona iGalaxy ngaqhubeka nayo till manje. And then ngiyafisa ukuthi iGalaxy iphumelele ukuthi singena ku top 8 futhi singaphela amandla madoda ngicela ukuthi abalandeli beGalaxy baphinde babuye futhi njengoba basupporta ngakhona ngibonga kakhulu isupport le namunhla ukuthi abantu baphinde bafike la eMbombela stadium sokhona ukusupport iChiefs Galaxy and then iqhubeka nomdlalo lesidlalayo and then kunomdlalo omkhulu siwulindelile mhla ka 17 March silindele iOrlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates kumele ifike la ekhaya and then sikhona ukuthi sikhona ukudlala nayo la ekhaya sikhona ukubona ukuthi balandeli bafika ngakanani la ekhaya. Yiloko sikufunayo nje kuphela. sendani sitobona ukuthi Nedbank isiphathelene but ngiyafisa ukuthi Galaxy ayiphumelele ku Nedbank
Sure.
because abadlali beGalaxy ba improve ukuthi sheza le thoma game lose then makhona ku improve le game eNedbank namarumo.
Thank you, champ.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu umlandeli wami and then have a nice day.